Hi, Annette. It's Dee Spazzillo. I am reviewing your resume, and I find that I like the summary and the education. Um, I like that you put your computer skills and the specific programs that you used because it helped when I was reading the experience. Um, because if I had not read that and I read Utilize Colleague and Dawn, I would have been like, who's the colleague and who is Dawn? But I see that that's a program, so I now know. Um, I also liked um, all of your experience, the way you described your administration and organization. I was, however, a little confused when I'm looking at um, where it says experience, and then you have all of these lovely things listed. And then um, for your work history, you kind of just have executive administrative assistant, St. Kate Lear College, 2013 to present. I haven't seen a resume where that's where people have put it. I would just my view. Um, I would like to see it listed, your work history under your experience as to which job went with what experience, so that it kind of like you can kind of see that progression of when you started, and when you were doing things versus when just kind of a list. You may already have it in order of what you know and when you learned it, um, but the work history kind of goes like I'd like to see it together, I guess. And then the other thing is you have been on a lot of committees, which is fabulous and fantastic. However, the whole list, to me, I'm wondering if you could make it in the last 5 years, the committees you've been on, because while all of them are important and they're good things to show, those are kind of things maybe that in an interview you could discuss, more specific and how long you've been doing it. Um, it just looks like there's a lot of committees for a resume. That's just my thought. Um, and maybe the awards piece could go up by your experience or your, um, ah, maybe under your education, you could put awards, just kind of, because it's at the very bottom. And if it's something that's good and that you've done, maybe you want to bring that more to the attention of a future employer. Um, Other than that, it looks good. Great GPA. And thank you for sharing.